What is going on, fellow MTB shredders? Today we're going to be finishing clearing up this new trail that we've been working on for the last few videos. I cannot wait. Let's get right into it. So in the last video, we built this skinny bridge. This bridge is 6 inches wide, approximately. The planks kind of vary in size, and it gets you across this creek off that skinny, off the rolling. So basically you roll down, go down that skinny, and then instead of, going down to Thornbush, the main trail, or Creek's Edge, the other main trail, you can now come right down the center of them, go across this skinny, and then the trail kind of stops right here. You can see we got tall weeds everywhere, and there's no real obvious trail, and every time I ride over, I basically slam on my brakes, turn around and go back up and ride another trail. So like I said, in this video, we are going to be weed eating out the line for our new trail. We're going to be pickaxing away some of the grass, getting a really fun dirt flowy single track. And then right here, there's actually this pile of dirt. This is an old berm we have, and I've been using all this dirt to fill up some areas by a new pond I built on my other channel, Hudson's Fishing Adventures. If y'all want to check it out, I'll have it come up on the end cards and have a link below. But I'm all done using this dirt, so all this dirt right here is just excess. And since it's just right here and gonna be so easy to move around because it's all pretty much topsoil, I think that right here we could build some sort of kind of real low profile log jump and then build up a little laning. I think it'd be pretty cool. And first things first though, we're gonna start weed eating out a trail. Okay, so I just finished weed eating up the trail. It's super windy and flowy, and I think it's gonna be really, really fun. I may go back with the rake later off camera and just kind of, rake any excess grass off, but it looks really good. And the grass in our yard, because it's spring and summer coming close, and we live in South Texas, so the grass comes up real fast. So the grass in our yard is about 8 inches tall right now, the native. So it's actually looks really cool cut to like 1/2 inch thick through the tall grass, because it just looks really, really sick. You can very clearly tell what the trail is. So now that we have an access, so this is a real trail now. So now that you can, once you ride here, you can, I don't know how much you show on camera, but I can see it really good right here. You follow the short trail right here. This is where I want to set just a super small little kicker right here. And I think I know exactly how we're gonna make it. Okay, so I have this super flat log. This log's been on our lot forever. I think that when we first had people clear the lot, they just cleared this and I don't know, kept this firewood. But my idea is just to pickaxe into the ground a little bit so we can get this like in the ground so it's real solid and it's flush with the dirt for a smooth transition. Then if we can just wedge it up a little bit on another log, this will be a sick little log kicker. And then we can very easily rake the dirt, make a little landing in the dirt, perfectly kind of ground anyway, flows right into our, right into our trail. So I think it'll be a really fun little miniature gap jump. I'm gonna go get the pickaxe and let's get building this thing. Okay, so just finished this little jump up, not the landing, but the actual lip. And it's super, super simple, but super fun looking. It's really solid. I don't even think I need to screw the logs together because it's just so solid. I made a really smooth little dirt lip, and I think that you're gonna be able to launch it. I'm about to get my bike out and test it before I build the landing, although it's really not gonna be hard to build landing. We're just gonna take some of these bigger rocks, build up a little retaining wall, and then just rake dirt into it. Should be super, super simple. But I want to go ahead and hit it, and comment down below a name idea for this. I'm thinking something along the lines as like the Pecker Jump, just like the little log jump that looks very similar to this from Berm Peak. Okay, so I just did 2 test runs, and I just found out the camera wasn't recording. I thought I hit record, I didn't. But this thing can boost you. I mean, it's crazy. I was just pumping off this. It is so, so smooth. Don't even need much speed from that bridge over there. And my back tire is landing like right here. So pretty much know where the landing is. I'm just gonna rake up some dirt, do a quick time lapse, and then we're good to go. Jump and landing is so smooth, so fun, and it was so easy to build. Real quick, I'm gonna get a shot of the new flow trail, the flow section after this, and then we're gonna hit some of the big features on the other trails because it's been a while since I've hit them, and I got to. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I cleared that pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. For first time riding that in 2 days, that was pretty smooth. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, I would love it if you would smash that subscribe button. And make sure you stay tuned for the upcoming videos, because in the next video, we are going to be having a serious talk. It's going to be interesting. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you on the next MTB Adventure. Until next time, peace out. Oh, I got going way too fast with one hand. And armadillos ate my berm, so I can't lean into that. And now I hit the cage. Oh crap.